Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about mind-blowing designs, mind-blowing ideas for your sweet babies, beautiful crochet frog designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts. You can see in this my video. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy baby crochet frock designs, beautiful patterns, knitted patterns, easy patterns, beautiful frock designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Stylish ideas, beautiful ideas, decorated with flowers, beaded stones, ribbon ideas you can see also. Lace frock designs for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. Every design is beautiful and trendy. Easy patterns, knitted patterns, you can easily make these very beautiful frocks for your sweet babies if you know crochet work. See beautiful designing ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts, soft and beautiful frocks for your sweet babies. Your babies can easily wear, can easily move with beautiful and stylish crochet frocks. So friends, if you want to buy these very beautiful baby crochet frocks, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Highly running patterns, knitted patterns, easy patterns for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet.